here? Oh yeah, here we go. This is the shot I want. Hey yo, what's up, man? It's your boy Ill Will. I'm out here. It's nighttime in Fresno. As you can see, the city behind me. Right now I'm at the courthouse, so I'm just experimenting with the 15 to 35 millimeter Canon RF lens. Just got it in, rented it for a few days. Somebody said it was a dream for street photography, so I'm going to use it this weekend for street photography, fashion, and probably a couple portraits. We'll see how it goes. But I'm down here downtown, so since I'm out here, got my GoPro attached, ready to go, and I'm just be walking the streets, man, just trying to find something at night. I mean, this is what I do when I'm bored. Got to keep up your muscle memory with the camera, and I like practicing at night because, to be honest, my weak point is night photography. So I'm trying to get better at that craft. And all right, this is enough talking. Let's just go ahead and hit the road. Got my AirPods in, got my music going, my head on the swivel, because at night you know what's going on out here. Don't get caught. But let's go ahead and hit the road. All right, Hey y'all, welcome to another edition of POV Street Photography with your boy Ill Will. Oh, this will be number one right here. That's a crap shot, but hey, starting somewhere. Shot in the street since there's nobody. Oh, check this water fountain thing out. It's pretty dope. I just really want to test this 15-35 lens tonight. It's perfect for getting stuff like this. I might actually get it from the other side with the flowers. Might look better. Or hell, might just look better just right here. Not so much. The store's ruining the shot. Oh yeah, that might be dope right there. If I can just cut out that car. Already I can see how crispy this lens is. Not a lot of noise, which is always a good thing. And I've heard like so many great things about this lens, the 15-35. It's just, I can't fathom paying $2,000. Well, it's like $22.30, I believe. When I rented it, it shows you like basically the price if you want to keep the lens, or if you break it, that's the price you gotta pay. But I can't fathom $2,200 for a lens. I just can't. Like, I know it's amazing, it does wonderful things, but I just can't see paying that money for a lens right now. See if there's something here. It'll look better with the subject. But otherwise, it is a great lens. If you have the Canon EOS R, it's an RF mount lens. These RF lenses are amazing. But yeah, if you're creative and you want to hang out and actually, you know, explore
the city at night or in the daytime and just find places. Like the only way you're gonna find like dope spots is actually by going out there and looking for them. I learned so much about this city. Some people see my pictures and they're from that area and they wonder, hey, where is that? Because they just go to the places they know all the time. And me, what do? I explore. A lot of people ask me why I'm always downtown. They're like, there's nothing down there. And I'm like, well, half my pictures are from downtown. So obviously there's something down here. Just, you gotta be kind of open-minded and definitely gotta be open-minded and not really know what you're looking for. Just kind of keep your head on the swivel, really. That's all I do. I never know where I'm going. I just walk around in circles for the most part. Oh, let's see if we can get this shot right quick. Might be alright. Not going down there. Let's take a walk through the park. Which has a million moods all in itself. Ooh, this might be a good shot. Tallest building in Fresno. Let's see how we can make that work. Oh God, I think I stepped in some thorns. Oh, that hurt. Older Hispanics playing Young Jeezy. That is just hilarious. Let me see if I can get a shot of this Hotel Virginia sign. God, I gotta come up. Man, this is crazy how far I have to come up just to get a shot. Interesting. I can definitely bring back the vibes of the dark to light on that one. Maybe, of course, I like alleys. Zoom all the way in. I want to see if I can get an interesting photo of the parking garage here. I love this parking garage. I probably shoot it too much. If you follow my IG, I shoot this place all the time. But I've never shot with a 15 or 35, so let's see what we can get. Oh yeah. Let's nail this shit here. Just looks so good at night with the different angles. We're gonna go up there and see if we can get some shots actually. Alright, let's get it from right here. Oh yeah, here we go. This is the shot I want. Oh, come on. That's the other thing I love about the EOS R, is that you can just basically point, hit your button, hit your finger on what you want to focus on. It focuses, and all is well in the city. Yeah, I just want to crop the hell out of this shit. Let's get this right here. Let's get it widthwise too. Just a little something. Let's see. This has some weird angles. I would love to get. I've never had this wide a lens to get everything. I like that the lens is f2.8 because when I do need the fucking. I love that the lens is f2.8 because when I do need the depth of field, I can get it. I'm just kind of pointing and shooting right now. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna see one and decide to edit better. See if I can catch him on the way out. Look at this dog. That'd be a dope shot from right here. Actually, the circles look dope from right here. Oh, if I could just lay down maybe right here. Hold on. Yeah, this lens, I gotta get this lens. Hopefully like Rokinon or somebody else will come out with a cheaper lens because I just don't have $2,000 to spend on a lens. And Canon, if you're listening and you want to just shoot me a lens, I'm very good with taking care of lenses. If you don't want to give it to me, that's fine. But man, I gotta have this lens. I can't wait to use it tomorrow. Wait till that car leaves. There'll be a better shot without the car in it. God, just when I want to shoot, people go slow. I hate that. I'm not gonna go all the way up. Not in my car today. Let's see if I can get that guy crossing the street. Please don't ruin my shot. I hear a car coming. See how the bokeh does on the f2.8. Ooh, that's butter. Man, that's butter. F with that one. Oh, wish I could see right through it. Oh yeah, you can. Oh, I might like that one for real. Thank you, Jamie Ortega. Or maybe it's Jaime. Jaime, Jamie. I appreciate you providing that mural for me. Oh, I wish I could have got these two guys on bikes going down the street. They're way too far now. Can I? Nah. Ooh, that's kind of moody right there. And the other thing I like about this lens is it's getting the stars. It is definitely getting the stars. And this is the first time we've seen, like with the wildfires, that was the point I was trying to make earlier, that the wildfires basically have been ruining all the shots. But it was rained up north, and today was the most beautiful day in a long time since the wildfires have started. I'm pretty sure they must be dying down by now, because this is the clearest day we've had in a long time. Like, it was beautiful blue sky today. It was actually golden hour and not like hazy hour all day, which, I mean, for a photographer standpoint, I don't mind the haziness because it diffuses the light, and it adds to that moodiness without me having to Photoshop it in. What's up? So yeah. But shout out to those firefighters out there in the wildfires up there in California, Oregon, Washington. That's a hard job, man. I can't even complain, man. Like, what we were doing for COVID was bad, but those guys fighting that fire, they're the real MVPs right now. That is a job I would not want. But I do appreciate them doing it. Oh, it's a nice intersection to get right here. I always like this intersection. It's always well lit. With the Fulton Street. And this is Fulton Street, by the way, that I'm walking down. It's pretty much on Sundays the hippest place to be when they have the Fulton Street cruise, like a bunch of old school cars. Everybody with cars, or who's a car guy or a car girl, gal, car kids, they come down here on Sunday. And do their thing and rip it up and down Fulton Street.